Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we will present the historical region of Sinowar. Here we will present with your friend name Dian Rahayu Kusumaningrum, Francisca Lukovivi Mayasha, Friska Destiana Putri, and Ina Amelia Ananta. Sino-Japanese War. The first Sino-Japanese War, July 25, 1894 till April 17, 1895, took place between the Qing dynasty of China and the Japanese Empire, mainly for influence over Joseon. After mountain 6 months of unbroken success by the Japanese land and navy forces and the loss of the port of Wei Highway, the Qing government demanded peace in February 1895. The war showed the failure of the Qing Empire effort to modernize its military and fan of threat to its sovereignty, especially when compared to the successful Meiji Restoration in Japan. For the first time, regional dominance in East Asia shifted from China to Japan. The verdict of the Qing Empire, together with the classical tradition in China, suffered a hard blow. The shameful loss of Korea as a state has triggered an unprecedented public outcry. In China, defeat was the catalyst for a series of political upheavals led by Sun Yat-sen and Kang Youwei, culminating in the Qinghai Revolution.
This war is known in China as the Qian War, Qinshi Pinyin Jiawu Shuangsheng, referring to the year 1894 as maintained under the traditional sex system for many years. In Japan, is why called the Japan Qing West Japanese Hebrew Nishin Sensu. In Korea, where many wars ensued, it is called the Qing Japanese War Korea Hanja. War between Japan and the Soviet Union over Korea ruled. In April 1893, Japan withheld its interest in Korea as a base for freeing the continent. Had expanded Kim Jong-un and caused at Kawakem Pradu. Head of the headquarters in Japan, foreign companies criticizing government development as weaknesses for amending the agreement led to public opinion.
Such a case in the spring of 1894, the Donghaek Peasant Revolution broke out in Korea. The plague. The Korean government was afraid that the testicles of Hitoshi et al. In exile Japan's response to the peasant uprising were killed by dacoits in Shanghai some year 5 months. The external faction strengthened critics of the Japan's government with this incident. In June of the same year, when the Qing dynasty was sent at the request of the Korean government to suppress the peasant revolt, the Japanese also sent and confronted Elson to the Kyoto Castle. Japan then rejected proposals to Korea for joint reform of Korea's domestic affairs to get an excuse to continue military service.
On the other hand, we succeeded in revising the agreement with the United Kingdom, Japan, UK Trade Navigation Treaty, and expecting state assistance, starting a war in the Battle of Tsushima of the Soviet in July, declaring war on 1 August. Occupied Pyongyang in September and the Liaodong Peninsula in November, threatening Beijing and Beijing. In September, the Navy also won surviving power by winning naval battles and wiping out the North Pacific Fleet with the Weihai Divers attack in January the following year. A series of recommendations for the country peace agreement continued. Korea also revived an anti-Japanese rebellion. There were also peaceful consultations from the Qing dynasty. In March, Shimonoseki full rights of Lee Hang-ho and total troops Ito Hirobumi Makoto Michihara began.
A view of your presentation. If there is anything wrong, we apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.